So, hi everyone, and welcome to 5 Minutes Yoga from the Inside. I'm Sandra, and it is nice to have you back here again with me as we're going to have a closer look on the standing pose Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana. And what you need for today's practice is good intentions, as always, your mat, and be close to a wall. And then I would say, let's step on our mat and let's practice. So close to a wall, I start from Tadasana, mountain pose, and I shift my weight to the right, slightly bend my knees, and then I bring my left foot and leg back, and here I adjust, and then I bring my right foot in, so I turn, and my hip points to the front. And here I bend my knees, so just to feel the rooting of my feet and the weight sinking down, equally distributed. My groins are very soft and my sitting bones are pointing down and back and down. So you see that my sitting bones go back and down. So it's not this, it's really back and down. Now I look to my left leg and lengthen that leg. I have more weight on the outer part of my left foot. And I see if that left leg is long. It's a really long leg that you can see, and you maintain this long leg. This is my support leg. So this is stays like this. And I can even put my hand here against the wall just to make sure, okay, I'm leaning a bit back, more to the left to free that right leg. Because this one turns out now. So my feet and my knee and my thigh are turning out now without losing the left one. So I'm much more concentrated now on the left one and really placing my weight here in order to turn that one more easily. And once I turned it, I place the foot down and I move with my knee forward, but keep the hand on the wall. So make sure that you still stay very much rooted with your left leg and foot, and make sure that the groin is still soft. If you feel comfortable, you exhale, root down, and you inhale, and then you lengthen your arms, and you're probably still leaning with your left hand against the wall. That's fine, because that remembers you that it is more back. So it's more this, like this, like a warrior, then this. You don't shift to your front leg. So you are very much centered, and from your center, you inhale and you lengthen your arms and you look over your right shoulder and to your right hand. And to come back, you turn to your right leg, lift up the left heel, and with the toes of the left foot, you bring yourself to the front and come back to Tadasana. Yes, and like always, I hope that this little insight of mine, how to go into Warrior 2, gave you another glimpse of how you might want to try it out in your own practice. And tell me how you are practicing Virabhadrasana II. Let's share. And I will be back again next week, same time, same place. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This way you are always notified as soon as I publish a new content. And then I would say see you next week. Stay safe and take care. Bye for now.